It's about 2 nights ago. I was just, it's just like I say, it's brief. It's like I was, I don't know, I was just lying down. It was on a real sad experience, and I was singing the New You, and like these birds flew up, like they was flying like above me. Like I don't know what kind of birds it was, but as I was singing the New You, they kind of like how the birds were positioned. They spelled it out. They spelled out the New You and the New You, and there was lots of U's and there was lots of birds. And then it kind of like, I was looking at it, it looked like it was gold and that. The birds were gold. And the sound came in there, and I was just like, I just heard the sound, a bit, the you. And then I just like, it was like 3 flying saucers. And there was definitely flying saucers. And they were just flying behind the birds. And then they all just flew into this light. And that was it. That's all I remember of it. But that was early overnight. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Pearce. That's cool. So again, more confirmations like Jeremy's experience yesterday and what have you about the possibilities of what's taking place, and we get to be part of this big adventure. So we're giving little hints here and there, but that's cool. Yes, thank you so much, sir.